Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. Welcome to online class of English B. Today we are going to learn about articles. There are three articles: a, an, the. A and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Let's learn the use of articles a, an and the. A is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal or thing which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. For example, it will be wrong to say a water or a dogs. Third point is, if a noun starts with a consonant sound, a comes before the noun. For example, a dog, a chicken, a boy, a teacher, a girl, a lesson, a website. Now let's learn the use of an. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. Don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel sound, an comes before the noun. For example, an umbrella, an owl, an image, an hour, an enemy, an author. Here notice one thing, that hour is starting with a consonant letter H. But we have used an before hour because it is starting with a vowel sound. Now let's learn the use of the. We use the in front of all nouns. It doesn't matter whether they are singular, plural, countable or uncountable, to describe something or someone specific or unique. For example, the moon, the world, the sun, the atmosphere, the rain, the south, the west, the north. And students, in the use of indefinite articles, I want to discuss these 2 points. Let's focus them. Use a before words, letters, numbers which sound like they begin with consonant even if the first letter is a vowel. And second one is, use an before words, letters, numbers which sound like they start with a vowel even if the first letter is a consonant. Means that we are not going to focus on the letter from which letter the word is starting. We are going to focus on the sound, that which sound it is delivering. For example, a euro. Here the first letter is vowel but the sound is consonant. In the same way, in university is giving consonant sound, so that's why we are using a. In the same way, one is giving consonant sound, that's why we are using a before one. And in the use of an, again we will focus on the vowel sound. Hour, here H is silent and the word is giving vowel sound, hour, so that's why we are using an. And in F is giving the sound which is vowel, that's why we are using an. And in the same way, an 8 is also starting from vowel sound. So students, I hope you have understood today's lesson. Now try to understand its idea and its use and solve the given worksheet. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.